Silver Sports. I say, Obia Potra radio source radio say, Omukatre, coach, they say, against Nations, no, on transparency.
Arabishan for mom, good evening. With me, like it. And they say, since my course was something got one idea. And yeah, you even which has a power struggle, and a course was anticotoco in prayer, I can say. And name of course was anticotoco. Just say, what you know, I want to say. Moment, na what me the comments about me, so I say. Na ya way forward for Asante Kotoko because the way Nema AC Kono and Semfata, a club like Asante Kotoko, minty, you hear better also.
Now, on what's yes, woman was a coach, I was a coach, every other. Opia was Wakasama Kotoko, Opia was the who said Kotokono, Minia, Mekasa. Now I am
98.3 FM.
Now I am. Opia was a Wakasama Kotoko. Yes, a common graphics. In my body, a putty Opia will say, yes, it's a say or say, your soldier times, you are Silver Sports. Yes. See, I see, it was soldier times. Now, say, was swan, Tiasama, who number session. What you make is that statement? Yes. Silver Sports. It's unfortunate. It's unfortunate. Now, you should man, I had a day. You should man, I said a day. What now? I stance him as what? Who do you want to go to quarter stance? Who not far coach Juma? Who not far coach Juma? Sir, yes, I came, no, ultra bencher, and Yentino, but not stance him. They are moving
8.3.
You don't want to coach as a coach. I'm a trust. Opia, Yatin and Cassa, Cotoconomina Mini, it's our headache. You won't pay you for before. Silver Sports. Might be US. On the top, put me ahead of a nation service, put me in the market of players. I know about Jabaka. She sent Musa Mwana, we are going to go. Mobile support to the Matino, and to make a pepper solo. And this is she move. I don't want to go. Right. She said, and I'm in a mere, and I'm in the moon, and I'm in a minute, and you can't fall by a son of Beba. You can't fall by a son of Beba. Yes, also what to him now. Also, what I'm going to share the moon. I will be able to be at Tamonka. Minamia, women, not I.
Silver 98.3 FM.
Suppose more from to form an training or Monko. Silver Sports. One is a Monko, Messer Papa, and a party near train, Opian or Coy, a real Monko. Mukasasa de this. Moyaway. Monko. All right. You're fine, you should move your protocol. Into offer, Messer. Offer, what behind my baby hits Bava. Come on, I'm going to go to the come on, I'm going to go to the Namunia say, and I'm in a power, and I'm in a window, and fast will be in the soul. Come up, come up, Silver Sports. Sanity of this show. That's very true. Silver Sports. Where we are standing now, we are standing the table of Ghanaian. California bring wall.
And you, we need the Ecoso. CCA or Asante Kotoko. 5 games without a win. A whole lot of issues. 5 games. Kotoko winning Bakupura. A board rubber, we are losing a 4. A whole lot of issues. I have bros never to my PM. So they would see the way can which not be so.
the sanity of
ebi akotoko ekoduru no
and you could get a blast them. Kaka, and you blast them, Peru, and my answer. It's coming once in Cabana. And come and send him Pierre. Okay, come and play.
but asumode ndu ko obi osum sa ene dey fact omusa nneema nkoyi omusa nneema nkoyi sisi but say okobo obi osum na ide na bigini say fata no as a presenter you don't have to talk like that.
And I'm say, okay, baby, come in one of them. Say, come in here, consistent this I know. I know.
We are going to have fun with Asante Kotoko. Timbako, the beer munsem, a few beer ni munsem Kotoko. Oh, too much. And
come in here. Kaka. Oh, for this I say. Yeah, program. Statement. And I'm say, Uti, pass out meba. Kaka, yawa.
okay. Said the air corner. I heat pop.
What's it? Say, come in one asuma. Me say, come back today. Okay, come in Silver Sports.
All right. It be here. Better because the air corner. I said. Okay. No was much.
And I'm saying, okay, me one asuma come in